this is Carmen, and in this video I'm going to show you a project that I've made. Is this one? It's a book box. That's a die from Elizabeth Crafts, and this die is cut by Loes. We had a crafty day with my crafty friends over there, and we had a very nice time yeah, crafting this book. It was all plain white, and yeah, we did it in different themes. I chose for myself this one. You do you. She made a while ago this one for me in a journal book she made, and I love this. Beautiful. I like it. And yeah, you can open it like this, and then you can put something nice in there. So this is the one Loes made for me. I love it. Look, there are different possibilities, different ways to make this one. Okay, this is a crochet flower from her. I love that. Look how cute. Okay, that's that. Okay, so I made it in a postal theme, and I have to check which kit I've used, so I have to log in my computer, and it's the kit from okay, I can say it 1,000 times and now I can't. Oh my gosh, my brain. From Tracy Fox, I'm sorry, but it's the Despatch vintage postal kit, and I am in love with this kit. I've been crafting this one over now, I might say 2 months. No, 2 months, one, no, okay, for a long time, and I finally finished it. I was not satisfied with it yet to show it to you. So what did I do? The front of the box and the back of the box, I've used envelopes that I found in the thrift shop. They are these. I love those. And I found these and I found these. I'm very happy with that. And I used these a little bit. I cut it a little bit and changed it a little bit up, but oh well, it worked very nicely to use as background. And I used the papers from the kids, some things from myself. So the front I've made with the ephemera, and this is not a kit from Tracy Fox but an older one. It says airmail, and I put a postal stamp from myself on this paper clip that I altered. I got a big jar of, yeah, altered paper clips and pins and stuff, and yeah, like that. And ephemera on the side, all layers, stamps from Tim Holtz, and yeah, the side is with this one, and there's a dangle on there with some Tim Holtz die cuts from the latest collection of his. I will show you what I've used. I have to get it. Okay, if I have it in a, oh my god, I'm getting too much stuff. Oh, yeah. Sorry for the waiting. I will cut the, how's this? Okay, that's a nice one. Can't find it. Okay. But there are 3 sets. I will put a picture in here. If I find them. Okay, next. What I did was on the side I've used paper. Also I put some stamps on there that I have in my stash, stamps from Tim Holtz and another stamp set, and these are the frames. This is Postal, and this is the back. I made it into a tuck spot, and I put an envelope that I had in my stash for a long time. Bought it a long time ago, and this is a piece of the envelope on the back. Yeah, this is all. This is ephemera that I tucked behind and on the side, and yeah, put some stamps on there. What these are, I think they were already on there. Yeah, they were on there. A paper clip. This one by Air Pavillon, and a stamp from Tim Holtz. Yeah, and when you open it, on here there's washi tape that I put in there on there, and this also that I had in the postal theme. When you open it, it looks like this. On the inside I cut a Tim Holtz die that you can tuck in different ephemera, so I did that. I love that. I put all kinds of tags in here, and I doubled it up like it is a pocket. And this is also Tim Holtz. I tucked in between this frame, the post and mail, it says. And on the inside I also put the paper from Tracy. Then I've made a tiny package envelope that is stamped, and I put a postal stamp from my stash on there. It says special delivery. I think that's the molds, I think. And this is a paper clip, and that's also in the kits. You can use these in there. I think they are about 2 inch or something less, and then stitch it all around. Put an eyelet in here and a dangle, and it looks like this. I love those paper clips. Tracy has a tutorial how to make them. Very easy. I like them, love them. And that's yeah, the package that I've made, the letter. So I've used an envelope like this, made it a little bit shorter, and yeah, that's that. And I have to keep myself in frame. And this is the tiny journal that I've made. I think it's yeah, a folio or something like that. This is the front. I also used the envelope on there, and I used all kinds of pockets on there. This is all from the kit, and this is Tim Holtz tag that I cut, and this one I had in my it's from a local store, a die cut, and I've used 2 layers of paper, and I cut an airplane out of there, and put a number behind here, used washi tape on here, and yeah, it looks like this. And this is a tuck spot with a frame with a postal man on the back. Used the numbers from the dies from Tim Holtz, put a stamp on the side, a tab from the paper line, and then you can tuck it in like this. It says airmail, and yeah, used all kinds of layers of the paper. And this one I've used a paper clip from Tim Holtz. I've made postal stamp on here. I made it into a tuck spot, and that's also when you can pull this one out of the pocket on the side, so you can yeah, write something on there. I hope I am in frame. Okay, like that, and there are tags in here. There's an envelope in here, and this is looking like this. So all kinds of layers, and then you can close it tight with this paper clip. You can open it like this. This has a pocket you can open, an envelope that I've made, and it says there's a frame on here. This is a ephemera from the kid. This is the tiny man that I paper cut and put on here, and the postman, I'm sorry. And this is one that I have from my stash, is a vintage one, and this is my hometown where I was born and I'm still living. It's Hertogenbosch, difficult name, but it's Dutch. Dutch is difficult, I think, for foreigners. And I put a stamp on there. You can open the envelope. Also, there are some tags in there, so you can write on that. On this one, there is a pocket, and I tucked all kinds of things in there. And also, this is a pocket. I cut it in diagonal, this line, and there's a tag behind, and look, it's all the envelope you see on the back that I've used. And yeah, put all kinds of ephemera on here. And the kit is also yeah, as nice as it is. You don't have to put a lot on there to make it nice. And this is the back. It says of the other page says introduction of postal dues tables, and I put this in here. And this is also a pocket, and with some tags and a postal stamp from Juliana that I have. And yeah, I tucked in this one and I stamped it with Tim Holtz stamps on the side. Here, and here, and here, and I think this is another one. I don't know, from Tim Holtz. It's registered. It says that's the die that I've used. And then on the back you have this one, and I left it like plain like this, and I tucked envelope in on the back. You can use to put some paper in there or written messages. And then this one I put on top. It's yeah, a tag, and with a pocket, and all kinds of ephemera and tags. And on the back it's a writing spot. It says orders drawn. Yeah, so that, and then that's the tiny folio booklet. And then I made an identification card from the postman, and yeah, I used all kinds of layers and eyelets and stamps on here. It's a little bit shiny, but I hope you can see it. This is photo frame that I bought on I think AliExpress. It looks like this, and it's for your suitcases. And I altered it and put some vintage photo on there, and yeah, made it old, used, and I put in this photo from the postal man and put some stamps on here. It says US mail service identification check, and on the back I put this license number, post office department, and such. And yeah, that's in there. It's the identification card from the postman, and on here there's the booklet. It's just for fun. And on here there's the envelope that I put in here. I have to do it like this, yeah. And yeah, that's it. And then we close it like this. Yeah, the closure is a little bit more difficult because I opened it already a lot, but okay. So this is my Postal book box with stuff. And yeah, I hope you like it, and I will put the link to the Etsy shop from oh my gosh, Tracy Fox, sorry. And yeah, that's menopause, I think, or a lot of on my mind, I think, but oh well. This is that, and yeah, I hope you like it and get inspired to use the box like this or something else, and use maybe these envelopes if you have them. And yeah, okay, until my next video, bye bye.